Okay, dear students, welcome back to All Fours e-learning classes. Okay, in the previous class you learned about relative position of two circles. Here 5 cases we have. If C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, if C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2, then one circle completely lies outside of the other circle. In this case, number of common tangents 4, 2 direct common tangents, 2 transverse common tangents. Second one, C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. It means distance between the centers equal to sum of the radii when the two circles are touch each other externally. In this case, number of common tangents 3, 2 direct, 1 transverse common tangent. And third one, modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. In this case, two circles intersect each other and two common tangents are exist, and the two common tangents are direct common tangents. Next, C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. When the two circles are touch each other internally, in this case only one common tangent is exist. If C1 C2 less than modulus of R1 minus R2, one circle completely lies inside the circle, inside the other circle. In this case, no common tangents are exist. So here, in out of 5, here two conditions, second and fourth. Here second and fourth are what? The two circles S equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0 touch each other externally. This means C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. In this case, this is what point of contact. Here P is the point of contact. Here point of contact divides the line joining the centers C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Here if the two circles touch each other externally, here point of contact is external. This circle touching this circle externally. Here point of contact is external, but point of contact divides line joining the centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Next, another case, this is what C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. This is C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. If the two circles touch each other internally, if touch each other internally, then the point of contact divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Here point of contact is internal. Here this circle touching this circle internally. Therefore point of contact is internal, but point of contact divides line joining the centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Okay, next, internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude. Observe this diagram. Here, the point of intersection of the transverse common tangents. Here, these two are the common tangents of these two circles. Here, these two are what? Transverse common tangents. Here, these two are transverse common tangents. The point of intersection of the transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude. The point of intersection of the transverse common tangents. These two are transverse common tangents of these two circles. Therefore, the point of intersection of the transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude. In this diagram, the point P is the point of intersection of the transverse common tangents. This point P is called internal center of similitude. And here, the point P is the internal center of similitude. Then P divides the line joining C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. The point P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Observe here. From diagram C1P, here these two triangles are similar triangles. These two triangles are similar triangles. In these two triangles, C1P by R1. C1P by R1 equal to C2P by R2. Yeah, these two are similar triangles. Therefore, in this triangle C1P by R1 equal to in this triangle C2P by R2. Now cross multiplication, C1P by C2P equal to R1 by R2. Observe this condition. Here C1P is to C2P equal to C1P is to C2P equal to R1 is to R2. It means the point P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Therefore, here the point of intersection of the transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude. Here P is the internal center of similitude. P divides the line joining the centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Okay, now external center of similitude. External center of similitude, the point of intersection of the direct common tangents. The point of intersection of the direct common tangents is called external center of similitude. This point P is the point of intersection of the direct common tangents. Here the point of intersection of these two are direct common tangents of these two circles. Here the point P is the point of intersection of the direct common tangents. The point P is called external center of similitude. Here the point P divides the line joining the centers C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Observe these two. Here internal center of similitude divides line joining the centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Here external center of similitude divides line joining the centers C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Here internally, here externally. Okay, another point. The length of the direct common tangent of the circles whose radii are R1, R2 is under root of d square minus R1 minus R2 whole square, where d is the distance between the centers. The length of the direct common tangent. Suppose this is the direct common tangent of these two circles. Here d is the distance between the centers. Here d equal to C1 C2. Here d equal to C1 C2, distance between the centers. And R1, R2 are the radii of these two circles. Then this length AB equal to, here AB is what? Length of the direct common tangent. Here AB equal to formula under root of d square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Similarly, the length of the transverse common tangent is under root of d square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. This is the diagram. This is the transverse common tangent. Okay, therefore, here AB length equal to under root of d square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. Okay, problems. The circles x square plus y square minus 12x plus 8y plus 48 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 are. Here options are touching internally, touching externally, intersect each other. One circle completely lies outside of the other, or one circle lies inside the other. Okay, here circles are, the relative position of the circles is what? The relative position of the circles is what? Here options are touching externally. These two circles are touching externally, or touching internally, or intersect each other, or one circle completely lies outside of the other, or one circle completely lies inside the other. Here circle's position is what? According to the conditions. Right. Your solution. Here C1 means center of first circle. The center of first circle is 6, minus 4. R1, radius of the first circle, under root of 36 plus 16, 36 plus 16, 52 minus 48, under root of 4, therefore R1 equal to 2. Next C2 means center of second circle, it is a 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, center 2, minus 1, and R2 means radius of second circle, under root of 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, under root of g square plus f square minus c, root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 under root of 9, here R2 value is 3. Okay, now first find C1, C2, distance between the centers. C1, C2 means distance between the centers. Under root C1, C2 value is under root of 6 minus 2 whole square means 4 square, 16. 16 plus minus 4 plus 1 whole square, it is 9. Under root of 16 plus 9, under root of 25. Here C1 C2 value is 5. Therefore next R1 plus R2 sum of radii. Here 2 plus sum of radii equal to 5. Here C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. Here conclusion 2. Here C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. Circles like this. Two circles touch each other externally. Here conclusion, two circles, given circles. Given circles touch each other externally. Here touch each other externally is the correct answer. Given circles touch each other externally, and also here number of common tangents. In this case number of common tangents 3. Direct common tangent, direct common tangent, it is transverse common tangent. The two circles touch each other externally, in the number of common tangents equal to 3. 2 direct, 1 transverse. Next problem. The number of common tangents to x square plus y square equal to 256 and x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 121 is number of common tangents. Here C1. The C1 means radius of C1 means center of first circle. C1 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0. R1. Here R1 equal radius of the first circle, it is 16. Next C2. C2 second circle center. R2 11. Radius of the second circle. C2 center of second circle. R2 radius of second circle. Now C1 C2. The C1 C2 equal to 5. C1 C2 equal to 5, and here R1 plus R2. Okay, R1 plus R2 equal to 16 plus 11. 16 plus 11 27. And here modulus of R1 minus R2. Modulus of R1 minus R2, 16 minus 11, it is 5. Actually C1 C2, yes, C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. In this case, compulsory C1 C2 is greater than modulus of R1 minus R2 or not. Here observe. Here C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2, only one condition. It is the correct. Here modulus of C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2, and here C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. Okay, here this condition is wrong. Modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Okay, this condition is failed here. Here modulus of R1 minus R2, here C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2, but here C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. If C1 C2 is greater than, modulus of R1 minus R2, therefore modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. In this case, two circles intersect each other, therefore number of common tangents are 2. But here C1 C2 is not, here C1 C2 not greater than modulus of R1 minus R2, therefore this condition is failed. Now only here one condition, C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. Therefore, in this case, number of common tangents is only 1. In this case, two circles touch each other internally. In this case, only one common tangent is exist. Only one common tangent. Number of common tangents. Number of common tangents equal to 1. That is direct common tangent. Friends, here once again, the number of common tangents to x square plus y square equal to 256 and x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 121 is. Here C1, R1, C2, R2 are the centers and radius of the given circles. Here distance between the centers is 5 and R1 plus R2 value is 27. Next, modulus of R1 minus R2 is 5. Here, based on sum of radii, difference of radii and distance between the centers. Here actually here C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Here C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2, then here C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2 contains the condition, third condition, this condition. But here C1 C2 is not greater than modulus of R1 minus R2. So this condition is failed. Modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. This condition is failed. Only C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2 satisfies, but C1 C2 greater than modulus of R1 minus R2 not satisfies. Therefore, this condition is failed here. Now here only one condition, C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. C1 C2 equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. In this case, two circles touch each other internally. In this case, only one common tangent is exist. That is direct common tangent. Therefore, number of common tangents equal to 1. Next problem. If the two circles x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to r square and x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0 intersect in two distinct points, then here which option is correct? Here given circles intersect in two distinct points. First, here C1, center of first circle 1, 3. Next, radius of first circle R, R1 equal to R. Next, C2, second circle center 4, minus 1, 4, minus 1, and second circle radius under root of 16 plus 1, 17, 17 minus 8, 9, under root of 9 it is 3. Root of 16 plus 1, 17 minus 8, 9. Okay, R2 equal to 3. Right, here two circles intersect in two distinct points like this. Two circles intersecting two distinct points. In this case, condition modulus of the first C1 C2 value. C1 C2 distance between the centers is what? Under root of 4 minus 1 whole square it is 9 plus 3 plus 1 whole square it is 5. Okay, 9 plus 16 under root of 25 it is 5. Now here the two circles if the two circles intersect in two if the two circles intersect in two distinct points, we have condition modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2. Modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than R1 plus R2 implies a modulus of R1 minus R2 r1 minus r2 or minus 3 or minus 3 less than c1 c2 5 r1 plus r2 or plus 3. Okay, modulus of r minus 3 less than 5 less than or plus 3. Now here we have two conditions. Modulus of r minus 3 less than 5 and 5 less than r plus 3. 5 less than r plus 3. Now write as it is minus 5 less than r minus 3 less than 5. Here directly write here 2 less than r. 2 less than r, but here adding plus 3, it is minus 2 less than minus 5 plus 3. Minus 2, here minus 3 plus 3 cancel, there r less than 8, adding plus 3. Okay, minus 2 less than or less than 8. And here intersection of these two is your answer. Here minus 2 less than or less than 8 and here r is greater than 2. Here 2 less than r means what? R is greater than 2. Here r value greater than 2 and r value lies between minus 2 and 8. Here intersection part is here 2 less than, answer 2 less than or less than 8 is the correct answer. 2 less than, here the value of r lies between 2 and 8. Here the value of r from this condition, the value of r lies between minus 2 and 8. Here r value is greater than 2. Intersection of these two is what? 2 less than or less than 8. This is the correct option. Right, next problem. If the distance between the centers of two circles of radii 3, 4 is 25, the length of the transverse common tangent is, length of the transverse common tangents. Here AB is the, this is what? Transverse common tangent of the circles. The length AB required. Here AB is the length of the transverse common tangent of the circles. In question given the distance between the centers is given 25. The value of D means distance between the centers. Here R1 comma R2 is given. R1 comma R2 are given. R1 equal to 3, R2 equal to 4. Therefore length of transverse common tangent, TCT, transverse common tangent, length of transverse common tangent equal to formula under root of d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. Here d square, distance between the centers, it is 25 whole square, 625. Next r1 plus r2 whole square means 3 plus 4, 7 whole square, it is 49. It is under root of 576, write as it is 24. Therefore length of the transverse common tangent, here AB equal to 24 units. Next problem. If the circles x square plus y square equal to 2 and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus lambda equal to 0 have exactly 3 real common tangents, then lambda equal to. When the circles have exactly 3 real common tangents, if the two circles touch each other externally, in this case circles have 3 real common tangents, 2 direct common tangents, one is transverse common tangent. Here in this case also, in this case only two circles have three real common tangents. Here it means circles touch each other externally. Here C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. C1, center of first circle 0, 0. R1, radius of the first circle. C2, center of second circle, it is 2, 2, 2. Next R2, radius of the second circle, center of the second circle is 2, 2. Radius under root of g square plus f square minus c. It is under root of 8 minus lambda R2. Radius of the second circle is under root of 8 minus lambda. Given circles have exactly 3 real common tangents. Then we have condition C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2. Here given circles have exactly 3 real common tangents, then we have C1 C2 equal to R1 plus R2 in this case only. Now C1 C2 means distance between the centers. Under root of 2 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. It is under root 8. Now R1 plus R2, root 2 plus root 8 minus lambda. Now question lambda equal to what? Root 8 minus root 2 equal to root over 8 minus lambda. Now squaring on both sides. We get 8 plus 2 minus a minus b whole square, a square 8 plus b square 2 minus 2ab, 2 into under root of root 2 into root 8. Root 8 into root is root 16. It is 4. 8. Here minus 2ab value 8 equal to 8 minus lambda. Okay, 8 cancel. Therefore lambda equal to 8 minus 2, it is 6. The value of lambda is 6. So students, if the circles x square plus y square equal to and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus lambda equal to 0 have exactly 3 real common tangents, then lambda equal to, here C1, C2 centers of the given circles, R1, R2 are the radii of the given circles. If given circles have exactly 3 real common tangents, then we have condition C1, C2 equal to R1 plus R2. It means the two circles touch each other externally. In this case, 3 real common tangents exist for the circles. Now, by using this condition, we have to find the value of lambda. Here C1, C2 distance between the centers root 8, R1 plus R2. Now root 2 taking left side, next squaring on both sides, we get lambda equal to 6.